In this video, you'll learn how to enable AI data usage in Perplexity AI. By following these steps, you will allow Perplexity to utilize your searches to enhance its AI models, ensuring a more tailored experience for you. Begin by locating your avatar in the bottom left corner of the Perplexity AI interface. This icon typically represents your account and is easily recognizable. Click on your avatar to reveal a menu with several options. Next, look for the option labeled Preferences. You may also see All Settings in the menu. If All Settings is present, click on it and then select Preferences from the subsequent list. This will direct you to the Settings page. Once you're on the Preferences page, navigate to the section titled Artificial Intelligence. This may be a tab or a category within the Preferences menu. Click on it to expand the options related to AI settings. Under the Artificial Intelligence section, you will find the AI data retention setting. Take a moment to read the description provided, which explains that enabling this feature allows Perplexity to use your searches to improve its AI capabilities. If you prefer not to share your data, you can turn this setting off. To enable AI data usage, ensure that the toggle next to this setting is switched on, which will appear blue when activated. If it is currently grey or off, simply click the toggle to change its status. This action confirms your choice to allow Perplexity to utilize your search data for improving AI models. After making this adjustment, you can exit the Preferences menu. Your settings will be saved automatically and no additional confirmation is necessary. You should now be set up for enhanced AI data usage within Perplexity AI. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.